Hi everyone, my name is Abby and welcome back to another video. Since everything is little by little going back to normal again, we can now go out, meet friends, go to the restaurant, go to the gym, bars are opening, restaurants are opening. But of course, we are still being cautious and being careful of keeping our distance with other people, putting our face shield, or even just the basic of wearing a mask. We are still aware of wearing a mask, right? And since we haven't been going out for a year, a lot of us, including me, miss putting the makeup on, going out. It's just so hard because sometimes you're gonna meet your friend or you go to the restaurant. Of course, you are going to eat and then you take off your mask and it's disgusting. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my smudge-proof, no foundation, under mask makeup.
From the way you talk, to the way you walk, to the way you rock that body, to the way you move, to the way you groove, I know you'll be somebody. So don't you frown or let it put you down. It's within, I know you got it. So bring that fire, let's take it home.
After prepping our skin with moisturizer and sunblock, we're gonna use primer. Primer helps with oil control and provide a smooth, crease-free finish. While I'm waiting for the primer to set in, I'm first gonna do my eyebrows. Eyebrow frames the face the way it softens and balances the look. It also accentuates the eyes, the shape of the face, and it plays a powerful role in communication. Next is contouring. When you're contouring, we are creating the depth to make the angles of our face pop more. Contouring can help make your cheekbone look more chiseled and suck in. It can also create an illusion of a shadow that makes your face look smaller. Then let's blend it in with the bronzer. Bronzer gives you that sun-kissed, warm look on your skin. Next is going to be our concealer. If you have skin issues like me, dark circles, dark spot, or even pimples that you wanted to hide, concealer is going to be your best friend. Next is blending it in with a wet sponge, because water causes the sponge to swell and it ensures your makeup won't be absorbed. It'll also make your makeup application more even for a streak-free, flawless finish. Next is going to be my eyeliner. Eyeliner can make all the difference in our look. It can make our eye color pops, our lashes looks thicker and fuller, and our eyes appear brighter and wide awake. Since we're gonna be wearing masks most of the time, we wanted to make sure that the other half of our face or even just our eyes looks lively and doesn't look tired. Or you can even put an eyeshadow. But since this is just going to be a demo of how I put my basic daily makeup routine, I'm not gonna put an eyeshadow anymore. After moisturizing my lips, we can use lip liner to create an illusion of a bigger, fuller lips. Next, I'm gonna be using MAC Lip Tensity Lipstick. It's satin finish, long wear, and it lasts for 8 hours, so you don't have to worry about retouching your lipstick after eating, drinking, or even after taking off your mask. Now it's time for our translucent silky powder. This is very important since we are not wearing foundation. And it is going to give us a perfect skin look. It is also going to minimize the look of skin pores. You can focus on oil-prone areas such as forehead, nose, and chin, as well as your under eye. This is great if you have oily skin because loose powder helps absorb oil. If you are wearing foundation, applying loose powder provides a touch of coverage to lock in makeup for long-lasting wear and flawless result. Adding eyeliner to our waterline adds up darkness to smoky eye. It also makes smaller eyes look bigger and bigger eyes look smaller. Blush can add rosy glow if you're looking for a vibrant, fresh faced look. A few spritzes of setting spray on our finished makeup look absorbs excess oil, and it also stops makeup from smudging and creasing. One more tip that I wanted to share with you guys is tying your hair and rolling it inwards can give volume to your hair and create that curly look. That way you don't have to blow dry your hair anymore. Get a piece of tissue paper and blot our lipstick. Translucent powder gives that matte finish and locks in lipstick for long-lasting wear. Let's try it on. What about you guys? How do you put your makeup under your mask? Share us in the comment below your under mask makeup routine. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.
Today I'm gonna show you how I do my smudge proof. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my smudge proof. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my smudge proof. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my smudge proof. No foundation under mask makeup. Even now I admit that I am